If you want to remove or completely hide all your about info on Facebook, including birthday, hometown, workplace, relationship status, etc., from your profile for privacy reasons without deleting the info, so if you go to your profile on Facebook to edit profile, and either you can remove this information one by one from your profile, or if you want to hide it without deleting the information, there is another way. So to remove all the info from public at once, just go to the menu of your Facebook app. From there to settings, under tools and resources, hit privacy checkup, and then tap on who can see what you share. Now our target is changing audience for profile information. So you're gonna hit continue, and all the info you have shared in the about section on your profile will show up in here. What you're gonna do is just one after another, just tap over the info that you wanna hide or remove from your profile, and then just select only me and hit save. That's all. Do this for your birthday, year, relationship status, workplace, etc., whatever you want to hide or remove from your profile. This will remove all these informations from your profile's about section, and no one will be able to say that. Thanks for watching.